Mama?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Jeez. Why would you do that?
Hey guys, welcome back. This is the excursion day. This is day 2. This is my actual birthday in Jamaica, so come along with me. I'm gonna show you guys everything I did today. This is the resort. Our tour guide Patrick was the sweetest. He was the best. He gave us a little tour while we were driving to our excursion location. Gave us a little background and history about Jamaica. One thing I did not know that it was there's still parts of Spanish and Hispanic culture that is in Jamaica. I did not know that, so I learned that on this trip. Just gonna see videos of everywhere where we go. And this is where we went to meet up. To sign in for our excursions and to be seated. And they took our lunch orders for lunchtime because lunch was included with this excursion. We did our excursion with Chukka and found out that Chukka means it's time to play. So this is the place where we went and we did ziplining. We did the Duns River hike, which was super cool, eventful. Definitely faced a lot of fears on this one. And then this is just me hiking up this river, y'all. This was like life-changing for me. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but it was so pretty. It was beautiful. It was worth it.
Mama?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Hold it right here?
Yep.
When I got on that field. Right, I was like, oh my god. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions how we play. Sit right next to you. We are back. It is day 2 and we did a bunch of stuff. We have missed calls, missed video calls. Then now my message is coming through.
Are you a text?
Huh?
What you a text to?
I told you when I got here gave me a text that I have free text and 2 gigs of data or something like that. I don't really know how it works, so I keep turning it on and off because I'm not trying to get charged extra.
Yeah.
Whew, y'all, so we are back. What did we do? We did ziplining today. We also did, what was the other thing that we did? The Duns River hike, I guess you can call it a hike, waterfall. I'm gonna insert some clips for y'all to see that because I had a good time. I definitely faced some fears with those things, but let me tell y'all, it was a workout. It was a lot. So now we about to get food, and then we got to go back to the hotel. This table is it's like too wobbly. I'm trying to like lean on it, and it's like it keeps moving. And then we're gonna go back to the hotel and probably take a nap, shower, and then go get dinner. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna show y'all the clips of the stuff that we did today, some pictures, all of that jazz. Okay, I used my GoPro for the first time today, and I'm super excited. Super excited. But y'all, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Ooh, yeah. So I'm back. I just ate. It was super good. We had some jerk chicken and rice and peas, and it was pretty good. It was pretty good. I didn't really get a chance to show y'all outfit of the day, but this is my swimsuit for the day. Super cute, and my pants are like just regular swim pants. But outfit of the day, super exciting, super cute. Oh, I can't wait. We got one more excursion of the day. So I'm super excited for you guys to see this video, this content. I'm super excited and honored and happy and blessed to be in Jamaica to spend my birthday here, y'all. On top of that, spending my 27th birthday in Jamaica. Super exciting. So I'll be back with more content, but if you guys like this stuff so far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Also say happy birthday. Don't be ashamed to tell me happy birthday. But we out. Both of us on one?
I actually really enjoyed doing horseback riding. Like after I was on the horse for a little bit, I got the hang of like the reins, the braking, stopping, how to get them to go. These horses were in the bushes, y'all. Like everybody's horse was in the bushes and the trees and the grass. They was not having it. But, and you know, crazy thing is I found out at the end that my horse was blind in one eye. He was the sweetest horse ever. And it's true when they said they matched the horse with your personality, because this horse fit me so perfect. Someone also gave me a little flower to remember them by. That was cute. Okay, y'all, now y'all need to check this one out. This horse, the second horse I got on to go in the water, y'all, he was not having it. He was not having it. Every time the guy would pull him out to go into the water, he would turn around to go back to the beach. I was like, y'all know what? Me and him, we clicking right now. He don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. We don't got to. But he's like, no, the guy's going to come over. So you guys are going to see the whole time the guy is holding my horse, because my horse was not having it. I think he was tired. He was done. He was just ready to go back inside. But you guys watch this and from this right here, because I was done. I was ready to get off this horse. I was like, don't worry about it. He don't want to go. I don't want to go. We don't got to. Y'all watch this.
Can somebody, I want to get off. I don't want this one.
Come on, girl. You ready to have fun? You just say.
You don't want to go.
And then the guy's talking about, oh, she's a crazy one, huh? Whoever she feeling, however she feeling, I'm catching her vibe. She don't want to go, we don't got to. We ain't got to force her in this water. He was like, don't worry, we're going to have a good time. I'm like, oh, Lord. Lord have mercy.
Don't do nothing too crazy, please. No. No.
with me.
Oh.
You can't get going. You see, staying with me?
I gotta go.
Go where?
I got stuff to do.
What you doing?
It's my birthday. I got stuff to do.
Invite me.
Huh?
Invite me later.
Sure.
Okay.
No, I'm just kidding. How do I get off of here? I need to get off. I'm scared.
Get up.
I gotta go in there. I wanted to take a picture too. What's up? Hmm?
What's up, Legend? You said what's up when I tell you Legend.
Okay.
Legend.
That's true. Okay. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that.